Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap is once again all steam engine parts, loads of machining. I think it's mainly all brass, a little bit of silver soldering, a little bit of plasma cutting, some brass plate for a change. I hope you find all that interesting. I know I found it interesting when I was doing it. I've had official confirmation from YouTube that I am entitled to my silver play button, so hopefully that'll be here next week. I will have a box opening session, probably me and wife will open it together. This is part of a water pump assembly of a Fowler traction engine, and that little valve there is a bleed valve to bleed any air out. The problem that's got is the valve's too long. It's actually fouling something here. There's two plugs and it's catching, so he wants me to shorten the valve. So I think what I'll do is I'll take it apart and cut that piece out of there. So I'll machine that flat, machine that off there, and then I can put them together and silver solder them, and that'll shorten the valve 1/4 inch. Just a little, what they call a plug tap, little plug valve, a tapered valve. Quite common on gas, sometimes call them a gas tap. I used to use them on gas fittings. It's just quite a modern one, it's not an old one. And I'm looking in the handle is in line with a hole in there. The handle should just unscrew like that. Out it comes. That's the hole. That's a tapered plug. I'll lap that in as well once I get it done. Bastard. So I need to cut that piece out of there and basically solder that ball end back on there with that in line with the hole. Gripping it in the layer is going to be a little bit difficult. I could put the nut on and grip it by the nut, but I think it's going to be sort of more or less all handwork this. That's simply how it works. There's a hole straight through, the hole through there, and that's turned off and that's turned on. Right, so off with the head. Now we need to trim the ball down. Not too bad, that worked out quite well. So that's going to be the plan, that silver soldered onto there. I'm just going to dress that face up somehow. I've devised a method of holding it, so I can successfully solder it. I'm going to put a little bit of flux on there, so that's soldering flux. And I'm going to make sure that the hole in the top is lined up with a bit where the handle screws in. That looks pretty good. I'm going to put this on top of there, just to hold it in place. And then with a bit of luck, we should be able to make a nice neat job of soldering that onto there. We'll give it a try anyway. Isn't a great difference between the melting point of the brass and this silver, so that's why we're going to be really careful. Right, that's just run all the way around now. A nice silver ring. You cannot whack a silver ring. Right, that's silver there very nicely. Happy with that. I managed to find some tins of lapping compound. This one's designed for brass and bronze. You just mix it with a little bit of oil and lap things in with it. Let's find some light oil somewhere in here. There it is. A little bit of light oil onto there. A little bit of certainly having the desired effect. A nice even matte finish all the way around is what you're looking for. We'll give it a little bit more. I've also got some of this stuff for lapping in cast iron. Right, that's splendid, that. Lovely matte finish. Happy with that. See how the valves nicely matted all the way down, and in there is also exactly the same. And put it together now. A little bit of high temperature lube won't do any harm. Just a little bit like that. Some of the older taps have got a spring washer on the bottom. These ones are just like a tight thread. You adjust it so it's just sort of a little bit tighter than that. Right, that's good, feels nice. I'm sure you'll be happy with that. And again, plenty of clearance now. Excellent.